All right, folks, it's that time of year again. It's now time for the drivers that suck at cleaning snow off their cars. Yay!
Dude, it barely snowed here. I don't get how there's that much snow on your truck. Probably came from Oswego or something.
It hasn't snowed that much. Seriously, how are you supposed to see out of that shit?
And the streak continues, and now we'll see where we go.
Yeah, this is what happens when you just let the windshield wipers do all the work for you. The snow is starting to blow off of that. And of course, you got a screwbrew that doesn't do that good of a job. You gotta clear up your headlights and stuff. That's bad. Okay, this Toyota did not do that bad of a job, except for the fact that you gotta clear off the back window as well. The rest of the car looks fine, except for the part that's required. You know, come on. How do you miss that? Seriously.
I think the Toyota needs to try a little bit harder. And also, dude, you can pass on the right. I'm just saying, you know, there's no reason for us to have to sit here. Nissan driver, holy crap! My van is not as high as that, and I have no problem with this one. Look at that over there. You know, you gotta try harder than that to clear the snow off. That's screwbaroo. Can't clean the thing off the... You get it. Toyota, look at you go. With all that snow on your roof. What the hell?
Yeah, she's good buddies with Connell.
Not an avalanche.
Buddying up to Mr. Connell.
Whoa! Do better than that!
Be done. They would love to be able to move.
We got a blizzard up there, a big one. Yeah, look at all that snow blowing around and shit.
Afraid I recommend this.
Look at all that snow. Dodge Fiat drivers. Jeez.
I'm trapped in a blizzard.
You got some snow on your roof. Clean it off, Subaru, Screwbaroo, Scroobadoosh, Douchey. Holy shit. If you can't reach up that high enough to get all the snow off, don't drive a car that huge. If it's that big of a problem for you. Really. And there's another one, Nissan driver.
Like how people, but when they were...
I wasn't going to do anyone today, but look at that. Toyota.
No matter what.
Yeah, that guy doesn't even have his light bulb, headlights, uncovered. It's like 2 degrees outside. Usually when it's this cold, I give people a pass. And it's another Toyota. But, you got to do the basics. Uncover the headlights.
You need depth, so maybe come and take that role with this team and wait to see how that works. But this team improved in every area they need to improve. They overcame the loss of DeGrom, the loss of Bassett.
Well, I just saw how bad those headlights are. You gotta do better than that. You gotta do better than that.